Hi beauties and happy Monday. I just wanted to show you my quick little routine that I do after I shower my hair. I have put nothing in my hair. I just completely let it air dry. I try to only wash my hair at least 2 to 3 times per week. I know it can be difficult in the beginning, so I always say you want to train your scalp. Your hair will definitely process a little bit more oil in the beginning, but it definitely will stop and slow down. It's amazing to give your hair a little bit of a break and also allow your natural oils from your scalp be in your hair and give it the nutrients it needs. So the only thing I've done is I've shampooed my hair already, and I use the Television Shampoo and Conditioner by R+CO, and I will put a little picture of that up here. It's one of my favorites. I got a big liter of it and I absolutely love the conditioner. But today I actually ended up using my favorite hair mask, which is the COCO EVE, and that one is amazing too. It's completely transformed my hair and it feels so shiny and it's growing like crazy. So I did that today. I try to do that about every other wash, and I used a little bit of leave-in conditioner when it was wet. So my hair has completely air dried at this point and it's super big and frizzy and I get these weird waves. So I definitely always need something to help tame the frizz. So for today, I'm going to show you 2 products that I love for frizz. So my first is my OLAPLEX number 7 oil. And I just use a tiny little bit. Just put it right on the tip of my hands. Rub my hands together and kind of pull it through the ends first, and then a little bit through the top. My hair is still a little bit damp in the back, so this will help all the frizz. And you don't want to put the oil right on top because that can leave your hair feeling greasy and weighed down. So I always start at the bottom and then I work my way up. And then I also am going to use my favorite protective shield. This is great for UV protection and it's also great for heat protection. And this is by JOICO. So again, on dry hair, you just use a little bit. You can also use the cream and the oil on wet hair, but I just prefer it to be on dry hair because I feel like it really helps with frizz. And you guys can already see my hair is way less frizzy and it's also adding a lot of shine into it. And I'm going to show you guys how I dry my hair. So for that, I use my 7 seconds blowout cream. I am a product junkie. Again, work all your products through the ends and then through the top. And I'm just going to section my hair off while I blow dry. When you have super long hair, it's definitely easier if you section it off so you don't get too overwhelmed. And I'm going to use my REVLON blowout brush. If you guys don't have this, I highly suggest it. It has cut so much time out of my hair routine and I am absolutely in love with it. And I definitely recommend pre-drying your hair about 70% before going in with this round brush. If your hair is sopping wet, it's going to take you forever. So don't make that mistake. Definitely go in and dry your hair. Since my hair is already pretty much air dried, I have just a few of those wet spots in the back. I'm just going to use this super fast and you'll see how quick and easy this is. I'm super low maintenance with my hair. I hate doing anything crazy, so now I can wear my hair straight today, or if I want I could throw a few waves in it, but all the heat protection is in there, the UV protection is in there, and you shouldn't see really any frizz after you're blow drying your hair. I am going to just finish off with a little bit of my static and frizz control spray, because when you go outside and it is a little humid, this stuff is amazing. This is called Foil and it's by R+CO. And it doesn't make your hair feel at all like it has anything on it. It's super lightweight. I can still brush through it. I still feel like it's shiny and there's nothing weighing it down. Don't forget to comment below and give me that thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. That bell will help you know when I post my latest video, which is every other Monday at 2 o'clock. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in 2 Mondays. Bye!